If you're not your girl and you have to wash your hair but you don't have all day to do an all day process, this video is for you. I show you how I wash my hair from beginning to end using products that'll give you similar if not the same results without staying in the shower all day. I feel like it's time to get our life back on wash days. The products that I use are attainable and affordable, and it definitely gets the job done. So if this is you, keep on watching. So one way to minimize your time and maximize the amount of work you do for your hair while you're washing it is to make sure that you run your hair in the direction that the water is falling. As you can see, I am not flipping my hair over my face because that will be in the opposite direction, which will cause a lot of tangles and knots, and that's something that you don't want, especially if you're washing your hair. So you want to make sure that your hair is falling in the exact same direction that the water is falling. That way it can also help you detangle your hair like you see I'm doing right now. I'm just making sure that my hair is very saturated with the water, making it a lot easier when it's time for me to detangle. So I'm going with the TGIN Moisture Rich Sulfate Free Shampoo. All my shampoos are sulfate free. I never have sulfate in my shampoo, and I find that it helps a lot because it helps take away all that coarseness from my hair, and sulfate is just really not good for your hair anyway. So something that I do when I shampoo my hair is I use the pads of my finger. When you use your nails, this will, like I'm using right now, this will actually create knots and breakage in your hair. So always try to use the pads of your finger and just rub that shampoo into your hair like you see me doing right now. One thing you also want to do is you want to make sure that you do not tangle your hair while you are doing this. While you are lathering your hair, you're gonna have an urge to just basically jumble up your hair all in one. That is something that you don't want to do. Again, you want to make sure that your hair stays detangled and not become a hot tangled mess. Also, another thing that you want to do is just want to focus on your roots rather than the ends of your hair. The roots is where all that gunk from the conditioners, the oils, the sprays, everything that you use in your hair, that's where the buildup is. It's not really on the ends, it's really at the scalp. So one thing that I like to do is I got a massager and I just put my shampoo on it and I just massage the shampoo onto my scalp. This also works because it helps with the circulation of your blood, and it also is less harmful or less harsh than your fingertips because we do have nails on our fingertips. This just allows our hair to be massaged and clean softly without the breakage, and this is a new method that I actually like and I continue to do it. Also, something that I find a lot of people do in this step is detangle the hair and comb the hair out. Do not do it, especially when you have shampoo in your hair. This is where your hair is probably the driest because shampoo is drying because it's cleaning your scalp. So this is not the time to detangle your hair. You should be detangling your hair when you have conditioner and not shampoo. So try to avoid detangling your hair. If you want to, you can use your finger and run your fingers down your hair, but do not use a comb, because if you want breakage, then sis, by all means go ahead. But if you want your hair to grow, just wait until you use conditioner before you use a comb. So if you know your hair, then you know what your hair can take. But I just recommend, if you are new to relaxing your hair, do not comb out your hair when you have shampoo. So I usually double cleanse my hair, but for the sake of this video, I only showed you guys washing my hair once. I don't know where we got this notion that dirt grows our hair, because it does not. Dirt actually blocks our hair from growing. So you want to make sure that our scalp is squeaky clean, okay? So don't be afraid to use two different types of shampoo if you want. You could use a cleanser and a moisturizer. You can use two different moisturizer shampoos, but just make sure that your scalp is clean, and that's why I like to double cleanse. So this next product, the Tresemme Anti-Breakage, this, I absolutely love this product. I used this product before I relaxed my hair, and the slip that this conditioner gave me, I absolutely loved it. So I definitely bought it into my Relax Girl hair regimen, and it has not disappointed me at all, you guys. If you need a good conditioner that provides slip, I highly suggest you go with this brand, and all of them work well. I use the anti-breakage and the rice water one, and I absolutely love this product. Like, I can't rave about it anymore, and it smells amazing, and best of all, it is attainable. You can get it at your local drugstore, you get it at Walmart, Target if you live in America, Shoppers Drug Mart, everywhere that it sells hair products, this product is going to be there, and the price point is phenomenal. So I suggest you go get this product, use it. It's such a good product, and I also use it for my pre-poos as well. And not only does it have good slip and it smells good, it actually conditions my hair very well. I don't have to worry about it being dry or drying out, because the consistency of that product works so good for me. Like all around, this is such a good product, and I believe it was specifically made for black people's hair. Like it just does something to my hair specifically. Like look at that shine, and it is really good. Like even after I wash out my hair, the shine in my hair is still there. But yeah, I couldn't rave more about this Tresemme anti-breakage conditioner. Go ahead, buy yourself a bottle, try it out, and let me know how you think. And because this product gives me such great slip, I have absolutely no worries and no problem combing out my hair. Do you see how easy this comb glides throughout my hair? And I also use a pick because it just feels way better and it just works better for me. You could use a wide tooth comb, use any comb other than a fine tooth comb. But look how easily my hair detangles with this conditioner in. And this is why I say do not comb out your hair when you have shampoo in it, because when you have shampoo, you don't have that slip that conditioner gives you. So right now, I'm probably about 20 minutes into my wash day and I'm already halfway done. And this is why I say the method to washing your hair will prevent you from being in the shower or washing your hair for hours on end. My hair feels so soft, detangled, and conditioned. Like Tresemme never fails, and you can see that I'm just so happy because my hair feels amazing. I just know my hair is going to be really soft when I'm done. So after washing that out, I go into the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist. You guys have seen this on my channel since I started this channel back in 2020. This product right here, it ain't going nowhere, y'all. It's not going anywhere. This product again is very attainable. You can find it at your local drugstore, Walmart, any big box store has this product, and it does just as it says. It is a 3-minute miracle moisture, okay? It is a deep conditioner. If you don't have the time, this is my weapon. This is my choice. This is my ride or die. When I don't have the choice to go underneath the dryer or do a 30-minute deep conditioner, I use this product and it works amazing. This is what helps me cut my day down from 5 hours to literally an hour of a wash day. And as you guys can see, my hair glides so smoothly throughout my hair. Again, because I detangled my hair previously with the Tresemme. But this product is much thicker than the Tresemme. That's why it's a deep conditioner. It has jojoba oil and also has avocado oil, and this helps retain that moisture and just give you a deep conditioner with your roots and your hair, and then coat to your hair as well, so that way the coldness and the harshness of it does not damage your hair. And this is why I aim to use my Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moisture every time Alberta drops those minus 40-degree weather, because it just helps my hair stay moisturized, and it also minimizes the breakage from my hair as well, resulting in me having a longer locks. As you guys can see, my hair did grow a little bit, okay? And I give it all to my conditioners. Honestly, my conditioners are A1, and I suggest you guys go try it out. And I think the price point for Aussie is like $5, so it's a win-win in my book. Hi. My video. And 45 minutes later, we are done, and I went through all the steps. I went through the cleansing of the TGIN, I went through the conditioning with the Tresemme, and I also went with the deep conditioner with the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moisture. And this is the bare minimum. Like, this is all you need when you're doing a keep up wash day, or you're doing like an in-between wash day. You don't need to do all the pomp and circumstances, because when you have keep up days like this, when it comes to your long wash days, it's going to be so much easier, so much quicker, because your hair is already in a good state than when you left it previously before. So this is how my hair looks once I am done. I am highly satisfied with how it looks. It feels so soft. It feels like a cloud is on my head, and my hair is detangled, and I want to keep it like that, because when it's time to style in my hair, as you guys will see soon, it's so much easier to do. So again, this is part 1, and thank you guys for watching. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna blow my hair. My hair is about 80% dry. I used all my favorite products in it. I used the BioSilk Silk Therapy Original and the 17 Miracle. These two together are amazing. Absolutely love it. I also used the Wow or Color Wow Extra Strength Dream Coat. This is amazing. Like, I have seen this on TikTok, and this is wonders. I use the extra strength because my hair is on the thicker side, so it has more of a control than the original one, and I absolutely love that. And I put all those in my hair, and now I'm just gonna blow it out. I use the Hot Tools airbrush. This is probably one of my favorite brushes. I saw it on TikTok, I bought it, I loved it. A lot of people say that this rips out the hair. For me, I haven't had any problems with it. I don't use it as often. Every single week when I wash my hair, I do not use this brush. I probably use it like once a month, to be honest. But when I do use it, I fall in love with it all over again. So I'm just gonna blow dry my hair. Again, my hair is 80% dry. When you do use this brush, you don't want to use your brush when your hair is really wet, because that's when you get the breakage. So I like to make sure my hair is about 80 to 90% dry before I go in with this brush. It makes my hair nice and smooth and frizz free, and it just feels really good. So let's get into it. One thing you want to make sure is you want to make sure that the section of your hair is detangled first before you go in with the brush. A lot of people I find use this brush as a detangler, and this is not what this is for. So make sure your hair is detangled prior to using the brush. This feels so good. Like, my hair feels very soft and it is clean, and I just love the way this feels. My hair is definitely healthy and it's still growing. This just tells you that even if you have relaxed hair, your hair can still be healthy. You just have to take care of it and know how to read your hair. Whatever your hair needs, it will tell you. If your hair is breaking, most likely needs either moisture or protein. If your hair is growing, continue doing what you're doing. If your hair always feels dry, use thicker moisturizers. If your hair needs, your hair is going to tell you. Okay, so this is the end of my video. Hope you guys enjoyed it and learned a lot. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and the post notification bell. That way you get notified every single time I post another hit video. I'll see you in the comments. I love you guys. Bye. My hair is done and it's clean, so I just put in these two big braids. These like definitely my go-to when I don't have time to do my hair, and I'm so upset because I really want to do my hair, but it's just not happening today for whatever reason.